Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save a video in CapCut. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the CapCut, and you need to open CapCut and log in into your account. So once you've done that, you simply need to click on edit, click on new project, and from here I'm going to select this video, click on that. So let's suppose I am editing that and due to some issue I closed that, and here you can see save to project. So here you can see my project is saved, and let's suppose I want to edit it again. You simply need to click on that and you can start editing the video where you left. So now this video is saved in my CapCut as a project. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.